Understanding, turn a blind eye, a deep dive into meaning and usage. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, turn a blind eye. It's a phrase you might have heard in movies, read in books, or encountered in daily conversations. Our goal is to help you understand its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in your own conversations. So, let's dive in. The phrase, turn a blind eye, is used to describe a situation where someone intentionally ignores certain information, facts, or wrongdoing. It means to overlook something on purpose, often because addressing the issue would cause trouble, or because the person chooses to remain uninformed for their own benefit or comfort. This expression is commonly used in contexts where moral or ethical decisions are at stake. The origins of turn a blind eye are quite interesting and trace back to a famous incident involving Admiral Horatio Nelson, a British naval hero. During the Battle of Copenhagen in 1801, Nelson was signaled by his superior to withdraw from battle. However, knowing that he was close to victory, Nelson lifted his telescope to his blind eye and claimed he did not see the signal. This act of deliberate disobedience led to a decisive victory. From this story, the phrase, turn a blind eye, emerged, symbolizing intentional ignorance. Now that we understand what it means and where it comes from, let's look at how to use turn a blind eye in sentences. 1. In everyday life, the teacher turned a blind eye to the students whispering during the test, as she knew they were discussing the question and not cheating. 2. In the workplace, management often turns a blind eye to the extra breaks their best employees take, valuing their overall contribution over strict adherence to break times. 3. In literature and movies, the character in the novel turns a blind eye to the villain's actions, hoping to protect his family from any repercussions. While it might seem convenient to turn a blind eye in certain situations, it's crucial to understand the consequences of such actions. Ignoring issues, especially those involving ethics or morality, can lead to larger problems in the long run. It's important for language learners to grasp not just the meaning of phrases but also the implications of their use in real-life situations. We hope this exploration of turn a blind eye has been enlightening. Understanding such phrases enriches your English comprehension and allows you to communicate more effectively. Remember, language is not just about words but also about the stories and meanings behind those words. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.